So now that all of my lights have been adjusted, I can click here on that second button there for the ambient settings. So the first thing you'll see is the ambient intensity, which is the overall intensity of your room. The intensity does not replace the lighting as it's not creating any shadows on the floor. So you can just start adjusting it a little bit to your liking. You can also click here on the ambient temperature, making it a little bit warmer or colder, depending on your project. Ambient occlusion will be, it will be like shadows that you see in the corners of all of the room. So if I turn it off, you'll see it just adds really shadows anytime you have two objects that are bumping up to each other, like that. You can also play with the intensity of those shadows and the range of the ambient occlusion as well. Then you can play with the sun. So like the sun will be a light that is placed outside of your project that you can determine which direction it will be shown up inside your project. So in this case, I'll just turn my camera around like that. So I can play with the intensity of my sun, my temperature, but first thing I'll do, I'll just play with the direction. So as you can see, you can see the light that is coming inside my room. I can also play with the elevation. So if I want that sun to be projecting shadow a bit farther inside my project. Then for the sun, I pretty much always use the soft shadows as it looks way nicer. And you can also play with the temperature, making it a little bit warmer, as I guess we all like warmer sun